the second trading window is 3 to 4, but I wanted to start the um, video a little early to talk about a few things. So on Tesla, the 3, the 5, 15, hourly, 4 hour, daily, and weekly are bullish. So that is stochastic. That was, sorry. You can look at the stochastics. Weekly, daily, 4 hour, hourly, 15 is the only one that's kind of questionable. 5, 3, all very, very bullish. I need to do something about this real quick. Um, but so let's see what happened at 2 o'clock. Maybe a fake out. We'll see. Um, Again, the only thing we can really wait for here is a higher high or a lower low. Lower low would give us a break of our 20 moving average on the 5 minute, and possibly on the 15 minute. But everything is looking very bullish. On SMCI, just do the same thing. Not quite there. Bullish, bullish. Mm, Maybe a little questionable. Bullish, although overbought. This is at the 50, so it's kind of where anything could happen. But we have been managing to find support at the 20 for probably about the last hour. Let's see, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So for a decent amount of 5 minute candles. So we're waiting to see whether or not these moving averages are going to act as support or resistance, or if we'll get a lower low or a higher high next in price action, particularly on Tesla. I would like to order to enter some maybe May or June TSLL at the money contracts on a retrace. But I'm also interested in that April 4th 265. So let's see. Just wanted to come back to say that I am sitting here because I'm expecting there's a pattern where at 3-ish or 3:30 you'll see a big move. Lots of times I've noticed that it is a reversal. Let's look on the lower time frame. So 3:30. We went from 233.71 up to 236.26 by the closing candle. But move actually started at 3. And so 3 to 4 is the second trading window where I would be sitting and looking for entries if I were you. So 3 o'clock, huge reversal, and then again at 3:30. This is why I say till 2 o'clock, and these orange boxes are the trading windows. But the reason why you'll often hear me say or until 2:15, 2:30ish is because it does happen a lot after 2, like just after 2. But my goal again with this to some extent is to shorten the trading time. And so understand that the expectation is not really that You would be sitting here from 10 to 2 and 3 to 4, or even from 10 to 2 or 3 to 4 every day, but that you know that at half-hour intervals or hour intervals, you need to be checking to see if your entry has developed. You have the backdrop of limiting yourself to 2 to 3, 1 to 3 stocks, and knowing what all of the high time frame charts look like on whatever it is that you'll be looking for your entries on at those times. But the idea is to free you guys up, and try to make the strategy more compatible with, number one, trading and life balance, or trading and career balance. But yeah, so those are the hours. It is now about 5 after 3, and as you guys saw a couple examples of, stuff tends to happen at that time. So I'm just looking to see what happens. I am out of Tesla, but what I would like to do is, again, I'm interested in that 265 if I can get a nice retrace, and I am also interested in some at the money TSLL calls for May or June. And so that is a creative, more capital friendly way of capitalizing on the larger moves on Tesla and Nvidia SPY, with using the alternatives that we have now. So I think I've said this every 30 minutes, but it's looking like maybe we may get our retrace. Higher time frame stochastics are overbought. Oversold on the lower time frames. So what I'm looking at is we've broken the 20. This is very bearish. Even on the 15, it's just more bearish. Thinking about what I want to do about that on a Friday. Let's keep looking. One 15.19. I'm gonna hold off because we are at support on the hourly, and it is about $1, like under $2 a range. So my only position on Nvidia is that NVDX at the money call for May. I do expect by May we'll have some sort of big pop in Nvidia. Lord knows they are getting tons of positive news, but I'm probably gonna pause this now, and come back as this plays out. Could be that 3 o'clock is going to be our reversal or retrace, if you will, or 3:30, and so that's what we're waiting for at this point. Here is what's important and what you can't ignore about SMCI. You have a bearish 1 hour stochastic, a bearish 15 stochastic with an obvious support at 41.31. Broken your 20 and trying to find resistance, but a bearish stochastic on the 5 minute, and bearish on the 3 minute, having broken and having a cross of the 2150 on the 3 minute chart. So the expectation then is that we may use this as resistance and trade off again. And again, this is where you as a trader have to ask yourself, can my trade withstand a retrace to the 200? And even if it's 3%, should I just take profit here? Am I confident in this trade? Is it based on something that I saw and am confident in on a higher time frame? Daily, 4 hour, hourly at least. Again, what I see here on the hourly is that we are really, really far away from all of our moving averages, and we are overbought and bearish. Record like cohesive version of it or another one like this and have it edited. I do think that the best time to do this is live and